Now see here, the first example from the practice set 21. What they are saying, the angle ACD is an exterior angle of a triangle ABC. The measures of angle A and angle B are equal. If the measures of angle ACD is equals to 140 degree, so find the measures of angle A and angle B. So here this diagram is given in your textbook below the question. So now see here, ACD. So means which angle? ACD means this angle is what? It is the exterior angle of a triangle ABC. After that they are saying the measures of angle A and B are equal. Means what? If this angle A is 30 degree, then this angle B is also 30 degree. So we don't know their measurement. So what we do? We shown the measures of these two angle is equal by the equal symbol, means the equal symbol of this one. So इसलिए this angle I denoted with the equal symbol, means what? These two angles are equal. So here we will start the example. So what is there? ACD. So why, see, if we are going to use any property or formula, so why we are using that one, that we have to first mention over there and then we have to use that property. So here if you observe, we have to find out this angle A and angle B, and this angle is given, and this is nothing but which angle? It is exterior angle. So it means what? We have to use the exterior angle property. And now just I explain you. So it is what? The measures of exterior angle is equals to what? Sum of is remote interior angle, means the angle ACD is equals to what? Angle A plus angle B. So that property only we are going to use here. So what we wrote? First we wrote that ACD is an exterior angle of a triangle ABC. After that they are saying the measures of angle A and B are equal. So therefore angle A is equals to angle B. But that we have to find out. So therefore we assume that the measures of this angle A and B is equals to what? X degree. So therefore the measures of angle A is equals to measures of angle B is equals to what? X degree. Then see, exterior angle is given, these two remote interior angles is there given. So therefore by using the property of an exterior angles of a triangle, so that property is what? Saying the measures of angle ACD is equals to what? Angle A plus angle B. So that only I wrote here. So measures of angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. So ACD is given, it is what? 140 degree. So we substitute the value over there. So ACD is equals to 140 degree is equals to angle A is what? We assume as X degree. So it is X degree plus angle B is what? It is also X degree. So here it is the X degree. So 140 as it is, X plus X is, it is equals to what? 2x. So now see, we have to find out the value of the 2. So this we have to find out the value of x. So this 2 I shifted on this side. So 2 and x is here multiplication. So that side when we shifted on left hand side, so it become division. So 140 divided by 2 is equals to what? X. So 140 divided by 2 is what? Here suppose backside, on the backside of the page you have to do the this division. So what you will get quotient? It is what? Reminder you are getting 0 and quotient you are getting 70. So it means what? X is equals to what? 70 degrees. See, or directly also you can do 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14 and 0 as it is. So therefore the measures of angle X is what? It is equals to 70, but X is equals to what? We assume as A and B. So therefore measures of angle A and B is equals to what? 70 degree. Clear everyone? Now after the first example we will goes on the second example. It is also very simple. You have to just observe the figures and you have to by observing the figure you can write down the answers also. So now see here, using the measures of the angles given in the figure alongside, find the measures of the remaining 3 angles. So we have to find out the measures of remaining 3 angles of this figure. So now see here, this angle and this angle's measurement is given. So what is the measures of this angle? It is what? It is 4y, and the angle name is what? FOE. It is what? Angle FOE. It is 4y. Then angle DOC, it is 6y, and angle AOB, it is what? 8y. This angle measurement, this angle and this angles measurements we have to find out. So now see here, if you now just forget about these two lines, means leave about this line and forget about this line. So ये दो लाइन आप लोग भूल जाओगे तो what you will understood, this angle and this angles are nothing but what, opposite angle. It means what, if the measures of this angle is 8y degree, then the measures of this angle is also what, 8y degree. Done. So it means what, it is also 8y. Then after that, if you will think about this, is suppose angle F O, here it is O and E, F O is 4y, तो इसके opposite angle है which one, ये angle है. So measures of this angle is also what, it is also 4y. And now the next, see which is remaining, this one. So this angle DOC, it is 6y, then this angle is also what, it is equals to 6y. So now next, if you observe this all, now just forget, and if you observe only this angle, so angle 6y, 8y and 4y, this all the three angles measures is equals to what, it is equals to 180. Why? Because see, जब भी हम कोई भी एंगल स्ट्रेट लाइन में फॉर्म करते हैं तो यहाँ पे जो एंगल होता है, इट इज दिस एंगल इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, स्ट्रेट एंगल, एंड मेजर्स ऑफ स्ट्रेट एंगल इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, 180 डिग्री. सो इट मीन्स व्हाट, अगर सपोज ये एंगल में इस तरह से डिवाइड करती है तो दिस एंगल प्लस दिस एंगल plus this angle and this angle, the addition of this four angle is equals to what, 180 degree. The same like here also, on line FC it is the straight line, on this angle this all the three angles are forming. So measures of these three angles is equals to what, 180 degree. So here we just write down that only. So first we say why it is 8y degree, because these two are the vertically opposite angle. So this angle name is what, angle AOB. So therefore here we wrote measures of angle AOB is equals to measures of angle, this one which one, EOD. It is why they are equal. So it is, they are equal to what, why they are equal, why they are equal, because they are vertically opposite angles. So therefore measures of angle AOB is equals to what, 8y. तो angle AOB 8y and AOB के साथ EOD is equal. So therefore EOD is also what, 8y degree. Now see, this we got 8y degree, so this plus this plus this three angles is equals to what, 180 degree. So ये angle का नाम क्या है, see, this angle name is what, FOC. So therefore angle FOE, then after this angle is what, EOD. So angle EOD plus which angle, ये angle, so this angle is what, angle DOC. So angle DOC is equals to what, 180 degree. So FOE is what, 4y, so 4y, EOD is 8y and DOC is what, 6y. We substituted their value and it is equals to what, 180. So now see, this 4y plus 8y plus 6y, it is equals to what, 18y is equals to this 180. So 18 we shifted on this side, so it become what, division. So 180 of 18, 18 ones are 18, 18 tens are 180. So y is equals to what we are getting, we are getting the 10 degree. But हमें y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट नहीं करनी थी, नो, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रिमेनिंग एंगल. तो रिमेनिंग ऑल द एंगल्स आर नथिंग बट व्हाट, फर्स्ट वन सी दिस वन, FOE. तो FOE के साथ which angle is congruent, this angle. So that angle name is what, BOC. So therefore angle FOE is equals to measures of angle BOC. So that is those equals to what, 4y. So 4y. So 4 into y is equals to what we get, 10. So 4 into 10 is equals to 40. Now the next one is which one, EOD. EOD means this angle, it is 8y and this angle is equals to what, AOB. So therefore angle EOD is equals to measures of angle AOB is equals to what, 8y. So y is equals to 10. So 8 into 10 is equals to 80. And similarly like that way we find out the measures of angle DOC. So measures of angle DOC means this angle is equals to which angle, this angle. So these two are equal. So therefore DOC is equals to measures of angle AOF is equals to what, 6y. So 6 into 10 is equals to 60 degree. Clear everyone? So like this second examples we have to solve. Now we will go towards the example number 3rd. See, for the example number 3rd, you need to make a diagram. Diagram is not given. This diagram from the question, I made this diagram. So what is the question is given? In the isosceles triangle ABC, triangle A and angle A and angle B are equal. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of a triangle ABC. The measures of angle ACB and ACD are 3x minus 17 and 8x minus 10. So find the measures of angle A and B. Now see here what they are saying. In triangle, isosceles triangle ABC. It means what? Triangle ABC is given. So we draw the triangle ABC. After that they are saying angle A is equals to angle B. So with the sign we show that angle A is equals to angle B. Then they are saying angle ACD is an exterior angle. तो AC एंगल सपोज ये हमने ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ किया है ABC, तो उसका एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स वी हैव टू ड्रॉ. नाउ जस्ट थिंक दिस लाइन इज नॉट देयर. तो इसका एक्सटीरियर एंगल कहाँ पे आएगा, और एक्सटीरियर एंगल उन्होंने क्या किया, ACD मीन्स एट पॉइंट C दैट एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज देयर. सो व्हाट वी डिड, तो यहाँ पे C से हमने एक लाइन एक्सटेंड की और यर वी आर गेटिंग दैट एक्सटीरियर एंगल ACD. तो वहाँ पे हमने नाम दिया A, this is AC. So यहाँ पे जो एंगल आएगा that vertex will become, that vertex name is what, T. So ACD is an exterior angle. So measures of exterior angle ACD and this ACB is given. So it is what 8x plus 10 and here this is what 3x minus 17. So we have to find out the measures of this angle A and B. So now see, अगर हमें ये एंगल का मेजरमेंट मिल गया means 8x plus 10 is equals to what, then exactly we can find out this one, because exterior angle, measures of exterior angle is equals to what, sum of its remote interior angle. तो हमारा टारगेट क्या है, we have to find out this one, 8x plus 10 is equal to exactly how many degree angle. So what we do, see if you observe the diagram, so here what you will get, so here you will get BD is the straight line and AC is the ray. So 3x minus 17 and these two are nothing but what, linear pair angle, means what, angle ACD and angle ACB are the linear pair angle. So linear pair angle are what, linear pair angle are the supplementary. So that property we use here and we find out the 8x plus 10 degree value. So what statement we wrote, angle ACD and angle ACB are the linear pair angles. So therefore angle ACD plus angle ACB is equals to what, 180. So ACD is what, 8x plus 10 and ACB is what, 3x minus 17 is equals to 180. So now see here, this 8x and this 3x, 8x plus 3x is equals to what, 11x, and 10 plus 10 minus 17, so plus minus minus, and we have to give the greater number sign. So here it is what, see 10 minus 70, it is equals to what, see 10 minus 17 is equals to 7, and greater number sign, so greater number is what, 17, and 17 having which sign, minus sign. So here the answer is what, minus 7. So therefore 10x minus 11x minus 7 is equals to 180. So now see this 11x we keep as it is there, on all the numbers we shifted on one side. So this minus 7 become this side, it is become is equals to what, plus 7. So 11x is equals to 180 plus 7, it is equals to what, 187. So this x we keep as it is now, and this 11 we shifted on this side. So this multiplication here, it become the division. So 187 upon 11 is equals to what we are getting, x is equals to we are getting 17. Now see here, तो how we are getting 17, यहाँ पे मैंने division किया. So now see 11 divided by 187. So 11 ones are 11. What is remaining, 7. So this 7 then we carry downstairs. So 11 7 are 77. So 77 minus 0. So therefore x is equals to what, 17. So but see हमें ये x value find out करनी थी. No, what we have to find out, angle A and B. तो x is nothing, this angle's measurement is nothing but what, 8x plus 10. तो x की value we substitute. तो x is what we are getting, 17. So therefore the measures of angle ACD, it is what given, see ACD is given 8x plus 10. So 8 into x is equals to what, 17. So 8 into 17 plus 10. So 17 8s are 136 plus 10. So 136 plus 10 is equals to what, 146. 146. So what it is, this angle is equals to what we are getting, 146 degree we are getting. So now we are going to find out this exterior angle, that is A and the B. So that's it, they are both the equal angles, it is given in the question. So what we say, let angle A is equals to angle B is equals to what, it is equals to y degree, and then we write down, we have to use that property. So we say that angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. So therefore, by using the property of exterior angle of a triangle, so that property is what? The measures of this angle is equals to what? Angle A plus angle B. So therefore, measures of angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. So ACD is what? 146 degree. So is equals to angle A is what? Y degree, B is what? Y degree. So y plus y, 2y. It is in 146. So 146 divided by 2 is equals to y. So 146 divided by 2, what we are getting? 73. So y is equals to 73. So therefore angle A is equals to angle B is equals to what? 73 degree. Clear everyone? So now your duty is what? All these three examples you have to write down in your notebook properly with that property. Okay? Okay. Now everyone take care and write down examples. If I get the time, I will send you the extra example based on this practice set in the next lecture. Okay, chalo, bye everyone, take care, thank you.